the question it is given that there are three memory levels L1, L2, L3 with access time 10 nanosecond, 15 nanosecond and 150 nanosecond and with hit ratio 80, 90, 100% respectively. Now if a miss occurs in L1, then we need to bring one block, and one block consists of 4 wards from L2 to L1. And if a miss occurs in L2, then we need to bring a block of 8 wards from L3 to L2, and then like this a block of 4 wards will come from L2 to L1, and if it is in L1 then directly to the CPU. How to solve this? So if the element is found here, or whatever we are searching is found here, then hit ratio into its access time, else means the OR condition, hit does not happen in L1. Okay, hit does not happen in L1, and what happens? Hit happens in L2, then H2 into T2. Not only T2, it is also mentioned that this is a hierarchical memory structure. So hierarchical means from here it will come here and then again here. So it is plus T1, which this finally will become TB2, or T, time taken for the block size to transfer from 2, that is 4 into 50, because this is the time required for transferring one word, and in the question it is mentioned that 4 words are being transferred from L2 to L1 if no hit occurs in L1. Then plus, okay, if it is not found here also, means minus H2. It is not found here, and obviously it will be found here because you see it is here, it is 100%, which means it will be in T3. From T3 it will come to T2. From T2 it will come to T1 or level 1 levels. So here instead of T3 we will put the value or the time taken by the block to transfer from level 3 to level 2. Here from level 2 to level 1, and here we are automatically writing the time that will that is taken for CPU to get the item which we are searching. So this TB3 will be 8 into 150, because in the question it was given that a block of 8 words is getting transferred, and this is the time taken for one word to transfer from L3 to L2. So now putting the values, H1 is this, H2 is this, T1, T2, T1, TB2, TB3, all in nanoseconds. And using calculator we can find out its answer to be around 74 nanoseconds.